Hi guys! Oh, my voice. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an illustrated recipe for you. It is currently autumn here in Florida. I should be saying fall, by the way. This is something I'm not used to hearing. And that means people are going like pumpkin crazy and like just fall crazy. It's like a thing. I didn't know that this was as big of a thing as it is, but apparently I was wrong. So to join in on the festivities of fall, I am going to be making tomato soup for dinner. I know that's not the most festive thing in the world, but I'm not the biggest pumpkin fan. Don't tell like anyone in America. So I figured it would be fun to make this soup for the first time ever and do an illustrated version of the recipe for you. I might be using this in my shop down the track, but for now it's just a fun thing to be doing. I'm not going to vlog throughout this video because I just want to have fun and not think about updating you guys as I do it. You'll see it as it comes. So I hope you're cool with that. So I'm going to give you all the closing info now, like I usually would. You can currently find me doing Inktober on Instagram, so the link to my Instagram is below. I'm also on Patreon. If you are a patron, thank you for being here. It means the absolute world. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, you can support me on Patreon and you'll get to see all my work before anyone else, and you'll get to have podcasts from me come up every 2 weeks, and there's a heap of stuff that my patrons get before everyone else, so highly recommend checking that out. Also linked below. And now I'm gonna paint tomatoes and make tomato soup. Enjoy!